Bosch Charleston has been in the Low Country for 50 years, and as a lead manufacturer of automotive components, we are here to stay. As we set our sights on the future, we are continuing to grow our business and invest in our community. Inside our plant, you will find a diverse team of engaged associates working in a clean, modern facility.
What I love about Bosch Charleston is the ability to work with different individuals. So since I've been here, I've worked with different production areas and different support groups. Also, the business resource groups. Here at Bosch Charleston, now we have African ancestry, and so it gives me the ability to have my own family unit here at Bosch.
So one of the things that I really love about Bosch Charleston is how they set their associates up for success. One of the things that I really appreciate is that no matter what job I'm doing, I always have the tools, the people, the support in order to do my job. But also another thing that I appreciate is the fact that Bosch Charleston is always pushing their associates towards advancement. They're always pushing us towards doing better, being better, higher skill, more knowledge. So I really appreciate that Bosch Charleston does that. We call ourselves a Bosch family. So we go out and we we used to hang out at River Dogs games. We used to hang out at the Charleston Battery. We hang out at the Stingrays. So not only are you here for work, but you're also here for fun, and I think that's great.